How to fix can't view bag in McDonald's app, cart error, location and login fix. Fix 1. Refresh the cart. For iPhone users, you have to pull down on the screen in the order or cart area to refresh. For Android users, use and refresh icon that provides in a app. Fix 2. Restart the app. First of all, you have to close the app completely and open it again. This will help to refresh the app status and fix many display glitches. Fix 3. Log out and log back in. Open the McDonald's app. Then you have to move to the more option, then profile. Then there you can see a log out option. Click on that and you have to wait a few seconds and log in again with your credential. Fix 4. Update the app. For you have to open the Google Play Store in your Android and Apple App Store in your iPhone. Then you have to check if there are any new updates for McDonald's app are there. Updating can fix many bugs. Fix 5. Clear app cache and data. For that you have to open your device setting and go to app, then select McDonald's. There you can see a storage option, then tap on clear cache and clear data. This will help you to delete all the cache and data from your app. Fix 6. Uninstall and reinstall the app. First of all, you have to uninstall the McDonald's app from your phone. Then you have to restart your phone and then again you have to reinstall the app and sign in again with your credential. Thanks for watching.